Have you ever wondered how ethical hackers protect our digital world? Well, let's take a journey into the intriguing world of ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking. This is a realm where tech wizards use their skills to reinforce the walls of our digital fortresses rather than breach them. In an age where our lives are increasingly intertwined with the digital realm, the importance of ethical hacking cannot be overstated. From safeguarding personal data to protecting national security infrastructure, ethical hackers play a crucial role. They test systems for vulnerabilities, expose potential flaws, and help organizations reinforce their defenses. At the heart of ethical hacking is a suite of powerful tools and techniques. One such tool that we'll be exploring today is Spike_Listen_TCP. This tool is a must-have in the toolkit of every ethical hacker. It's used to listen for incoming TCP connections and analyze network traffic, simulating real-world attack scenarios. This is especially critical when conducting penetration tests and security assessments. The beauty of Spike_Listen_TCP lies in its versatility. It allows hackers to specify the port they want to listen on, customize the payload sent back to the connecting client, analyze detailed information about incoming connections, and log all these activities for later analysis. This way, they can mimic different types of servers, inject payloads for testing purposes, and identify potential security vulnerabilities. By using Spike_Listen_TCP, ethical hackers can gain a deeper understanding of network vulnerabilities, helping organizations to build stronger cybersecurity defenses. This tool is an embodiment of the old adage, know thy enemy. By simulating how actual cyber attacks may occur, we can better prepare and defend against them. In this tutorial, we will explore the functionalities of Spike_Listen_TCP. We will delve into how it can be used to listen to specific ports, customize payloads, analyze traffic, and log activities. So buckle up as we dive deep into the world of ethical hacking and Spike_Listen_TCP. Spike_Listen_TCP is a powerful tool, offering a variety of features. This tool is a game changer for ethical hackers who are keen on exploring network vulnerabilities and enhancing cybersecurity defenses. Let's delve into the main features of this robust tool. Firstly, we have port listening. Spike_Listen_TCP allows you to specify the port you want to monitor. This is a fantastic feature because it lets you focus on particular services or applications. By targeting a specific port, you can effectively simulate real-world attack scenarios and assess how secure your systems are against potential threats. Moving on, we have payload customization. This feature is all about flexibility and adaptability. Spike_Listen_TCP empowers you to customize the payload that is sent back to the connecting client. Whether you want to mimic different types of servers or inject your own payloads for testing purposes, this tool has got you covered. It's all about understanding how different responses might impact the security of your network. Next up is traffic analysis. This feature provides you with a detailed overview of all incoming connections. From source IP addresses to data payloads and connection duration, you get the full picture. This allows you to conduct a comprehensive analysis of network traffic, helping you identify potential weak spots and security vulnerabilities. Lastly, we have logging and reporting. This feature is a goldmine for data enthusiasts. Spike_Listen_TCP allows you to log all incoming connections and analyze them at your convenience. It's an invaluable tool for documenting your findings and generating detailed reports. This feature is especially useful when you need to provide evidence of your tests or share your findings with others. In essence, these features make Spike_Listen_TCP an invaluable tool for ethical hackers. From port listening to payload customization, traffic analysis, and logging or reporting, Spike_Listen_TCP offers a comprehensive toolkit for those eager to delve deep into the world of ethical hacking. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen defenses, not to exploit them for malicious purposes. With tools like Spike_Listen_TCP, listen_TCP, you can play a crucial role in enhancing cybersecurity and making the digital world a safer place for everyone. So whether you're an experienced ethical hacker or just starting out, listen_TCP is a tool worth exploring. Its features are designed to give you a deeper understanding of network vulnerabilities and how to mitigate them. It's all about staying one step ahead of the cyber threats and ensuring that the digital world is as secure as possible. These features make listen_TCP an invaluable tool for ethical hackers. So why wait? Start exploring listen_TCP today and take your ethical hacking skills to the next level. Now that we understand the features of listen_TCP, let's see how to use them. The real beauty of this tool is revealed when you apply it practically, so let's dive in. First things first, let's set up our port listening. To do this, you'll need to specify the port number you want to listen on. Remember, different services or applications use different ports, so choose your target wisely. Once you've decided, enter the port number into the command line and voila, you're now listening on that port. Moving on to payload customization, this is where you can really get creative. With listen_TCP, you have the power to customize the payload that's sent back to the connecting client. You could mimic different types of servers or even inject your own payloads for testing purposes. This feature gives you a lot of freedom to simulate various scenarios, which can be incredibly useful in identifying potential vulnerabilities. Now, let's take a look at traffic analysis. Once listen_TCP starts receiving incoming connections, it will provide detailed information about each one. This includes source IP addresses, data payloads, and connection duration. It's like having a magnifying glass to closely examine the network traffic. Use this feature to dig deep into the data and identify any potential security vulnerabilities. Lastly, we have logging and reporting. This feature allows you to keep a record of all incoming connections, which can be a lifesaver when you're dealing with a lot of data. You can analyze these logs later for further investigation and even generate comprehensive reports. This is an invaluable tool for documenting your findings and presenting them in an organized manner. Now, let's put all of this together. Imagine you're an ethical hacker tasked with testing the security of a network. You set up your listening port, customize your payload, and then wait for incoming connections. As the data starts flowing in, you analyze the traffic, looking for any signs of vulnerability. You log all the incoming connections for further investigation, and finally, generate a report detailing your findings. Sounds pretty cool, right? That's the power of listen_TCP. It's a versatile tool that can be customized to suit your needs, providing invaluable information about network traffic and potential vulnerabilities. Remember, ethical hacking is all about thinking like a potential attacker in order to better defend against them. Using tools like listen_TCP can provide you with the insights needed to do just that. It's about staying one step ahead of the game and using your skills for the greater good. So go out there and test those networks. Probe for vulnerabilities, analyze the traffic, and make the digital world a safer place. With these steps, you can effectively use listen_TCP for your ethical hacking endeavors. Happy hacking! Ethical hacking is a responsibility, and tools like listen_TCP empower us to fulfill this responsibility. As we've seen, this tool is a vital asset in any ethical hacker's toolkit, offering a range of capabilities from port listening to traffic analysis, payload customization, and detailed logging. It equips us to simulate real-world attack scenarios, test network security, and analyze vulnerabilities with precision and efficiency. With listen_TCP, we can take a proactive stance in the cybersecurity landscape, identifying and mitigating threats before they can cause harm. This tool not only strengthens our defenses but also enhances our understanding of the complex dynamics of network security. So are you ready to take the reins and make a difference in the world of cybersecurity? Visit bp-coding.com for more information and learn hacking for free. Remember, your skills can make a difference in the world of cybersecurity.